Hello, I'm Angela Bender, and I will be your instructor over the next 16 weeks. Welcome to Education 210. The course title is Introduction to Secondary Education, which typically is 6th grade or 7th grade up through senior year in high school. I'm an adjunct instructor here at Santa Ana College. Part of my time is spent working with the Orange County Department of Ed, mentoring new teachers. I have 20 years experience in education, and 15 of those have been in middle school and high school. I'm eager to meet you and hope that this course helps you decide to become part of the rewarding profession of teaching. So let's go ahead and look at this Canvas course page. There's a couple things you need to know, like how I'm going to be interacting with you. So I send out weekly announcements, and on the home page you'll see it right here, and it comes as an email to you. And I want to encourage you to read through them thoroughly because there's information on deadlines. I do check my email and will respond within 48 hours. I also respond through and communicate through this Pronto app down here. See where my cursor is? Then there's also the general course questions. So I'm going to click here, discussions, and in here will be where your weekly discussion questions are. And see, here's week 1 and week 2. But this general course questions is where you have the ability to post a question, and other students can respond to this. I can respond to it. A lot of times you'll see your questions has already been asked and somebody has answered it, or myself. I do not always respond on weekends, but I've been known to occasionally. All right, so let's maneuver through the class. So here's the home page where all the announcements are, so you won't miss anything. You can toggle through these modules to maneuver through the class, or you can click the modules here. I'm going to first start with the syllabus. Make sure you read this. Good idea to read it before the class so you know what's expected. In addition to purchasing this textbook, Becoming a Teacher, which you can order an online version or a soft copy, you're also going to be required to do 45 hours of observation and working in a middle school or high school classroom. So you might want to start thinking about that, thinking what school that you'd want to work at, maybe start making contact with some teachers. So here's the modules again. So like all courses, you'll have information about academic honesty and etiquette rules with an online class, hybrid class. And then there's information on if you have technical problems, student services. So here's module 1, week 1. And you will, it's best to go in order because they all build on each other. And grades, you'll always be able to access your grades here. And then discussions, not only are they in the modules, but they're also here as noted earlier. And then if you wanted to go directly to the announcements, you can go here. Again, it's on the home page. Canvas is a very student user-friendly organization tool, so I hope that you have success with that. And I'm just really looking forward to working with you guys throughout this semester, and just have a great day. Thanks.